Airbag Massage Cushion. The Airbag Massage Cushion is a smart and comfy tool designed to give your body a relaxing massage using soft, air-filled pads. These built-in airbags gently inflate and deflate to apply just the right amount of pressure to your hips, waist, and neck. Whether you're tired after work or just need a break, this cushion can help ease body aches and make you feel refreshed. What's cool about it is that you can control the intensity of the massage depending on how strong or gentle you want it. It also offers different massage styles like shiatsu and Swedish, so you can switch things up depending on your mood or muscle tension. Simply place it on your chair, sit back, and let the cushion do its magic. Not only does it help reduce pain and stiffness, but it also improves blood flow and encourages relaxation. It's safe to use daily and is great for people who sit for long hours or suffer from back or neck discomfort. The ASAP hybrid helicopter is a game-changing aircraft that combines the best features of traditional helicopters with modern hybrid technology. By using a mix of electric power and conventional fuel, this helicopter becomes more efficient, reduces emissions, and has a longer flight range. Designed for both civilian and military use, the ASAP Hybrid is equipped with advanced propulsion systems that make it quieter and environmentally friendly, unlike traditional helicopters. Its vertical takeoff and landing ability makes it incredibly versatile, perfect for things like urban transportation, rescue operations, or even exploration missions. This hybrid design is a big step toward creating more sustainable aviation while still delivering the same performance and flexibility people expect from modern helicopters. It's a bold move towards a future where aviation is cleaner, quieter, and more efficient. Digitsole Smart Insoles. Digitsole Smart Insoles walk and run are intelligent shorts designed to help you walk and run better using AI technology. These insoles are perfect for athletes, fitness lovers, or anyone who wants to improve their performance and avoid injuries. They're packed with tiny sensors that track how you move, including your step length, balance, pressure on your feet, how your feet hit the ground, and how long each foot stays on the ground. All this data is sent to the Digitsole app on your phone, where you can see it live or check your progress over time. But it's not just about numbers. The app gives you personalized advice based on how you walk or run. For example, if your steps are too long or you're landing too hard, it'll suggest ways to fix that so you can move more comfortably and safely. The smart insoles even help you recover faster after exercise by showing how your body is responding. Figure 01 Humanoid Robot. Figure 01 is a smart humanoid robot created by the robotics company Figure. It's built to be a versatile assistant, capable of helping in homes, factories, and even warehouses. The robot is equipped with advanced hands and mobility, allowing it to move around and interact with objects just like a human. It can pick, pack, assemble, and even assist people with disabilities in their daily routines. What sets Figure 01 apart is its ability to learn and adapt. Thanks to its powerful AI, the robot doesn't need to be programmed for every single task. Instead, it learns from experience and adjusts to new environments on its own. Whether it's a new warehouse layout or a different set of tasks, Figure 01 can figure things out and perform effectively. The Forward Care Pod is an innovative mobile healthcare unit designed to bring medical services right to your doorstep. Combining robotics, telemedicine, and AI, it offers on-demand consultations, diagnostics, and even basic treatments. Whether in busy cities, rural areas, or during emergencies, the CarePod ensures that healthcare is always within reach for those who need it most. This compact, high-tech unit is equipped with cutting-edge medical tools, allowing doctors and healthcare professionals to remotely monitor and diagnose patients through telemedicine platforms. The CarePod's ability to provide healthcare anywhere makes it a game changer, especially for people in hard-to-reach locations or during critical situations where immediate care is needed. By making advanced healthcare mobile and accessible, the Forward CarePod is revolutionizing the way medical services are delivered. The Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban is a groundbreaking tire that was first revealed at the Geneva Motor Show. This tire isn't like traditional ones. It's spherical, meaning it can move the vehicle in any direction, even sideways. It uses a magnetic levitation system to make this possible, opening up new possibilities for autonomous vehicles. In the latest update, Goodyear has taken it a step further by adding artificial intelligence, AI. The new Eagle 360 Urban is covered in a bionic rubber skin that is equipped with sensors to constantly monitor road conditions. Based on the data it collects, the tire can adjust its tread to suit the weather. In wet conditions, it forms dimples for better grip, and when the road is dry, it flattens out to provide a smooth, efficient ride. This AI-powered adaptive tread system makes the tire smarter, safer, and more responsive, improving driving performance in all conditions. The GR2 humanoid robot is a major upgrade over its predecessor, the GR1. Created by Shanghai's Fourier Intelligence, the GR2 is taller, stronger, smarter, and more dexterous than before. Its design is also much more polished compared to the previous GR1, which had a somewhat skeletal and spindly look. Now, the GR2 appears more finished and refined. One of the most impressive improvements is its strength. The GR2 is equipped with powerful actuators that allow it to lift heavier loads than before. The GR1 was already one of the heaviest lifting androids, capable of lifting nearly its own weight, around 55 kilograms or 121 pounds. But the GR2 has surpassed that with even more lifting capability. This makes it ideal for tasks that require both strength and precision. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is the biggest and most powerful space telescope ever created. It's the result of an international partnership between NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA. With its massive 6.5-meter primary mirror, JWST is designed to capture more light than any telescope before it, allowing us to see deeper into space. What makes JWST so special is that it's an infrared telescope, meaning it can detect light in wavelengths that are invisible to the human eye. This ability helps JWST spot faint and cold objects in space that other telescopes, like the Hubble Space Telescope, can't see. It can even study the first light from the universe, just moments after the Big Bang. JWST is also on a mission to explore how galaxies, stars, and planetary systems form and evolve. It will study distant exoplanets to learn about their environments and the potential for life beyond Earth. The metaverse is an exciting new technology that combines different digital tools to create a shared virtual world where people can interact and experience things in a whole new way. Even though it's still being developed, the metaverse could completely change how we communicate, work, and play. In the metaverse, virtual reality, VR, headsets transport users to fully immersive digital environments where they can explore and interact as if they were physically present. Meanwhile, augmented reality, AR, blends the digital world with our physical surroundings, letting users engage with virtual objects without leaving the real world behind. Though it's still in its early days, there are already some cool examples of the metaverse in action. Decentraland lets users buy virtual land, build structures, and create their own experiences. VR Chat is another platform where people can meet and hang out, but instead of using their real faces, they interact through avatars. Microelectronics is a branch of engineering that focuses on designing and creating tiny electronic devices and systems. This field is rapidly growing and making a huge impact on industries like healthcare, transportation, energy, and communication. The main way microelectronics is shaping the future is by making our devices faster, more efficient, and affordable. Take microprocessors, for example. These small but powerful chips are found in computers and smartphones, and they've gotten much stronger over the years while becoming much cheaper. As a result, powerful computing devices are now available to more people than ever before. This has opened up exciting new possibilities for education, entertainment, and productivity, allowing more people to access the technology they need for everyday tasks and learning. Thanks to microelectronics, we can now enjoy smaller, faster, and more affordable gadgets that have changed how we live, work, and communicate. NinjaSat X-ray, a tiny satellite on a big mission. NinjaSat is a small but powerful space satellite designed to study some of the most mysterious objects in the universe, black holes and neutron stars. These objects don't shine with regular light, so NinjaSat uses X-ray vision to spot the energy they release. In space, scientists are always trying to catch sudden and rare events, but it's hard for one telescope to see everything at once. That's why small satellites like NinjaSat are so useful. Even though it's compact, it can scan the sky quickly, giving fast updates and helping larger space observatories do their job better. This satellite is the result of a global partnership between Lithuania's Noavionics, Japan's Riken Institute, and Mitsui & Co. Aerospace. Together, they built a 6U CubeSat that's smart, flexible, and ready for the challenge. Orbital Reef. Orbital Reef is an upcoming space station designed to take life and business into space like never before. Created by Blue Origin and Sierra Space, this futuristic station will orbit the Earth and offer a place for research, work, tourism, and innovation. It's like building a small city in space where people from all over the world can come together to explore new possibilities. Backed by big names like Boeing, Redwire Space, Genesis Engineering Solutions, and Arizona State University, Orbital Reef is meant to make space more accessible and affordable. It will provide everything needed for life and work in space, including transport, living spaces, equipment, and daily operations. Scientists can do experiments, companies can build products, and even tourists may be able to visit. The goal is to create a vibrant space community where new ideas can grow. Instead of just astronauts, this space station will welcome a wide range of people. Scientists invent a living smartwatch that you have to feed. Imagine wearing a smartwatch that's actually alive and needs your care to keep working. Scientists at the University of Chicago have done just that by creating a one-of-a-kind smartwatch powered by slime mold, a living single-celled organism that can conduct electricity. Researchers Jasmine Liu and Pedro Lopez wanted to change how we treat our gadgets. These days, we toss out phones, laptops, and smartwatches the moment they break or a new version comes out. This habit is creating over 40 million tons of e-waste every year. So they asked, what if your smartwatch could only work if you took care of it, like a pet? That's where the slime mold comes in. This smartwatch uses the slime mold's natural electrical activity to function, but only when it's healthy. Skyway technology is a groundbreaking solution for the future of transportation. Its elevated rail system helps ease traffic congestion by moving above the ground, freeing up space for other vehicles and uses. Powered by electricity, it offers a much greener alternative, reducing harmful emissions compared to traditional cars. The design of Skyway is modular and cost-effective, making it quick and easy to install, even in remote or tough areas. This flexibility means it can be used in a variety of locations, adapting to different environments. Plus, the automated transport pods ensure safer journeys by minimizing human error, making each ride smooth and reliable. Skyway focuses on being sustainable and efficient, and it can seamlessly integrate into modern cities. It's a Starlink Internet, bringing high-speed internet to the world. Starlink, operated by SpaceX, is a satellite internet service that aims to provide fast, reliable internet to people all over the world, including remote and hard-to-reach areas. Unlike traditional satellite internet, Starlink's satellites orbit closer to Earth, around 550 kilometers away. This helps reduce latency, or the time it takes for information to travel between the user and the satellite, making the internet faster and more responsive. Starlink uses a unique mesh network of satellites, meaning data can be passed from one satellite to another until it reaches its final destination. This system helps to avoid congestion and keeps the service reliable, even in busy areas. While still in beta testing, Starlink is already available in many parts of the world, bringing high-speed internet to places where traditional options don't reach. Virgin Hyperloop is a game changing transportation system that could totally transform the way we travel. Imagine traveling between cities in just a few minutes instead of hours. It combines the speed of air travel with the convenience of ground transport. Using low pressure tubes, passengers ride in levitating pods, reaching speeds of up to 670 miles per hour, 1,080 kilometers per hour. This new system cuts down friction and air resistance, making it faster and more eco friendly than traditional methods like trains and planes. Not only will Virgin Hyperloop make travel incredibly fast, but it's also designed to reduce traffic congestion and its environmental impact. By cutting travel times drastically and offering a sustainable way to move people across long distances, Virgin Hyperloop is not just about speed, it's about creating a better, greener future for transportation. Xpeng Aero, the future of flying cars, takes flight. Xpeng Aero has just unveiled its Vanned aircraft carrier, a revolutionary modular flying car, showcasing its first ever flight in Guano on September 3rd, 2024. The event included a live demonstration of the flying car's air module, giving everyone a sneak peek at what the future of personal flying vehicles could look like.